birthday, Navya. Sending lots of love, poochies and hugs to you. Miss you.
हेलो मियाँ जी.
हाय नव्या, हैप्पी बर्थडे. ये 12 बजे शक्ल पे, क्योंकि मतलब बहुत वाहिया ट्राइज दे चुका हूँ वीडियोस बनाने के लिए. मुझसे नहीं होने वाला, बट स्टिल लेट्स ट्राई.
Hi, I'm sure you're gonna have a blast watching me do this and you're really gonna laugh, but I'll still
Hi
do it.
Navya. So I'm sending a video in this really sanskari attire so that your parents, if they happen to look at this, if it's appropriate enough, look at my face and say, "अरे इसके साथ जा रही है तो बिंदास जा." And we go to Paris ASAP. Bye.
That I have seen you do. So that obviously is that "Do you love me" वाला dance, and obviously gymming तो is, you don't even have to talk about it. Gymming का squats and all everything, but that "Do you love me" वाला dance and you scratching your thighs रात में सोते वक्त, that.
Hello, happy birthday. Have a really amazing one. So, first, the most fun I remember having with you would be before Manzar/Dialectics 2018, the day Navneet and you'd been trying on slutty clothes in the PG. The way both of you were acting, I can't forget that.
Happy birthday, Navya. Okay, so one of the most funniest incidents that I have witnessed with you was the time when we had to take the same metro and you put your bag inside the scanning machine and this one guy took your bag and you didn't even realize it, and that bag had your laptop and all, and we were standing over and shouting sorts of excuse me, and the entire metro station was just looking at us. So yeah, that was hilarious. And the most funny part was that you didn't even realize that you were carrying someone's bag and you'd done your security check and all. So yeah, another incident is when you were drooling in class. You slept in, I think, MV's class or Meeta ma'am's class. Not sure. I think you slept in both of the classes. But never mind. But you drooled a lot that day. And you were on the first bench. No, wait. Actually, it was BK's class. You slept in BK's class on the first bench and you were drooling, Navya. So well, yeah, that's another funny incident with you. I think these are the two funny incidents that I have witnessed.
So funniest thing that you have seen Navya do would be, I guess you guys made a dick-shaped candle for someone's birthday. I don't remember whose birthday was it. I'm so sorry.
The funniest thing that I have seen Navya doing is, I don't know. As I said, she used to shout at me every day, all day long. So I haven't seen her doing anything funny. But the day she got drunk,
Navya is a one of a kind weirdo. But there's one thing I think, like at night her personality totally changes and she takes out these weird animal noises which are quite entertaining.
I'm sure there are a lot of funny things that you've done, but I'll tell you the ones I can recall right now. The first one being, I remember we had gone for this trip to Bombay, and I also remember you were dancing in the middle of the night on the streets on a Bhojpuri song. Like, I don't know, like if anyone can ever do that. And it wasn't like, it was us. Like, it wasn't like we were also part of it. It was a solo performance only by you. And everyone was really laughing, what are you doing? But then it was just Navya being Navya. So yeah. And there were people who were passing by and looking at, isko kya ho gaya ladki ko, but then you continued to do it because that's you. So another dance performance which was very funny by you, another dance incident performance I'm saying, would be, I remember your first birthday in HKV, the one we celebrated after passing out. I remember you were dancing and I was making a video, and one moment, like you were in front of me and I was sitting and you were dancing, and there wasn't like a step or something. 1 minute you were dancing and the other minute you just fell down. Like, it was like someone bumped into you. Like, just while dancing you just fell down. Like, I don't even know how is that possible. I'm sure you remember it too, and I have videos and proofs of all of it, so I'll send it to you.
almost everything that Navya does is funny. Everything. She's समझ आ रहा है ना, the feeling. It's just anything that she does, everything that she does is funny. But okay, so if I have to recite an incident, okay. So the first thing that comes to my mind is this. So we are having a coaching class. Alright, it's in an auditorium, like hundreds, 200s of kids. And as always, Navya, मैं और रितिका, हमें हर एक घंटे बाद भूख लगती है उस 6 घंटे की क्लास में. So we sneaked out, Navya and I, and we bought 5 to 6 packets of Lays, and of course हम ऐसे हाथ में भर के तो ला नहीं सकते थे, so बोलेंगे पार्टी चल रही है इनकी, तो हम उसको, so Navya was wearing a long dress, so she just she kept some inside her dress. I mean, she looked 6 months pregnant, and I was looking, I mean, I'm going like this skinny, and then I'm coming back with lots of lace, koi idhar tha जेब में डाले हुए थे. That was really funny because as Navya was moving, it's like chat 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 in a pin drop silence class. She's moving with chat chat chat. I mean, people, I'm sure people must have noticed it. So that was quite funny.
Alright, so the funniest thing that I've seen Navya do, I think that's nearly everything she does. But, okay, I have 2 things. One, I think it's ultra funny when I see Navya run. It's the funniest sight ever. And, sorry Navya, no offense. And the second thing probably would be her superhuman ability to manage to sleep off literally anywhere in the world. No matter how uncomfortable the circumstances are, Navya will manage to sleep. So that's super funny about her.
Okay, so firstly, a very, very happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. So the funniest thing I've seen you do, actually there are a lot, but one of them has to be your fitness wala walking style in Natya Park. It is one of a kind.
So one of the funniest things that happened to me and Navya was when the monkey chased us. I mean, it was the scariest and funniest thing that could have happened. We both felt like we were in a Predator movie, and I can't, the way Navya and I have ran that day from here and there just because we thought the monkey was chasing us in college was super funny when I look back at it now. Apart from that, Navya runs and it's hilarious. It's like there's nothing else that's required for her to do, but in general, her clumsiness, her tendency to forget everything, and just her very like cutie, squishy kind of behavior is super funny and super cute at the same time, and it is also annoying because I have to keep it real.
I remember this incident. हम लोग जब दिल्ली में मिले थे, जब इंडिया गेट गए थे, पता नहीं नव्या तुम्हें कहाँ से मिला वो एस्ट्रोलॉजर, नव्या को मिला वो एस्ट्रोलॉजर, वो खींच के लेके गई मुझे, और एस्ट्रोलॉजर से हम लोग का हाथ उसने पढ़वाया. ठीक है, कितना लिया उस एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने हम दोनों का, हंस के हम लोग का तो दिमाग खराब हो गया था उस दिन. तो
first would be of course her moaning, just moaning at night, and scratching things. I think scratching is of course not intentional, but moaning, she's getting dreams or whatever, she's just moaning. And the second would be of course her speak like a toddler at night and early in the morning. So she'll get up and she'll speak like that if she's sleepy, or like she'll be active, and at night before sleeping she starts off with those noises. Yes, those are the 2 things.
Right now only Paris, CIUP, Paris, CIUP. But to answer that in a more serious sense, squishy panda paneer, soft PG wala paneer.
Lively. The first, I mean, if you spend, even a day or 2 days or more than that with her, you'll realize how lively she is. I mean, ऐसा लगता है कि just being with her makes you feel enjoy this moment, enjoy life. And if you're stressing about something, if you're getting very nervous about something, talk to Navya. She's like chill yaar, matlab chill wala attitude hai. It's lively. That's the first word that comes.
A panda, to be honest. She reminds me of a panda because she's so squishy and so cute I just can't get enough of her. Also, she reminds me a lot of food. As in, I know for a fact whenever I'm going to talk to Navya, whenever we were to meet, she's going to talk about some amazing food that she's tried, or she's made, or she wants to try, or some place which has got an amazing ambience, or some essay spontaneous trips. So yeah, she reminds me of a very fun-loving person and someone who's always up for random and spontaneous adventures.
The first thing that comes to my mind is that I'm really grateful. Like, I feel really grateful to have met you, because you actually are a major contributor to my college life, like to my really good college life. And
So the first would be, of course, her moaning, just moaning at night, and scratching things. I think scratching is, of course, not intentional, but moaning, she's getting dreams or whatever. She's just moaning. And the second would be, of course, her speak like a toddler at night, like at night and early in the morning. So she'll get up and she'll speak like that if she's sleepy, or like she'll be active. And at night, before sleeping, she starts off with those noises. Yes, those are
The first thing that comes to your mind when you hear Navya's name would be hardworking, loving, very cheerful, very helpful. Yeah, that exceeds two birds.
What
But
comes to my mind जब नवे के बारे में सोचता हूँ is about Delhi. दिल्ली में हम लोग बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया. मतलब मैं दिल्ली आता था तो नव्या से तो मिलता था. I made sure कि नव्या से मिलता हूँ. काफ़ी जगह घूमे. We have roamed around different places in Delhi. काफ़ी कुछ खाया भी है. Foodies तो है ही हम दोनों. Anyways.
You being my best friend, apart from that, anyone would think of you, like, when they hear the word Navya, someone who's extremely energetic, filled with, like literally a ball of sunshine, making everyone's day a lot more better by being a part of their life, and also someone who's extremely helpful not only in the terms of, just helpful towards your close friends, but helpful towards even a stranger. And making sure that if someone comes to you for some work or anything, you are always making sure that you also check back and follow up if wo uska kaam ho gaya types. And another thing is that you are extremely passionate about anything and everything you do, like and also that you wouldn't do something you're not passionate about, be it your work, be it the simple thing as exercising, be it eating food, like anything.
Okay, I'm really bad at this, but first thing that comes to my mind when I hear the name Navya would be cuddly, smart, family, and Anu.
Witty, sensible, inappropriate, life of every party.
Navya in one word will be a big time social butterfly.
The first word that comes to my mind when I hear the word Navya is what? My childhood.
okay, so when I think of you, I think of a lot of memories, a lot. Super duper funny and like one of a kind of a character. Third has to be very genuine, very helping, and very intelligent.
Act like Navya. Now there are a lot of things that I can do, especially like in terms of being inappropriate, like but apart from that, or just I think once Navya was like, I want to show you a butterfly kiss, and then she kept coming in near my face, and I was just like, what's happening? Because Navya is creepy, there's no doubt about that, but like then she did butterfly kiss with her eyelashes, and I was like, okay. So that's one. And apart from that, one of the most recent and hilarious things that happened was in our friend's class, where she was like, Madame, please check my pronunciation. You. And I was just like, I wish I could record that and show you guys live, but it was so funny.
Demented. Alright, so Navya's coming. I mean, there's some food. Someone's offering food, and it's quite weird. I mean, normal food नहीं है वो जैसे हम सब खाते हैं, कुछ different है. So how would Navya react? Ew, what is this? What is this yellow? Are you supposed to eat it? Huh? Give me some. Let me try. Yeah. Nice only. How did you make it? Nice. Oh, auntie made it. How sweet. How sweet. It's nice. What is it called? Oh, nice. That's the best I can do right now. It's that's I love you, Navya.
Which is like extreme,
like there's a scale, and we can say that she works in like complete extreme. So there is the first bit where we see her like a kid. So this is like this part. She's like, oh ये बहुत दर्द हो रही है, and अब नहीं हो पाएगी, बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाएगी. So sorry for the bad acting, that's all. And this end of the scale, it's you know what, I'm so done with her. Like seriously, what shit is this? And I just can't do it anymore, and that's it. Now I'm done. And like her being all furious. So this is her like working between these scales of being completely kind, not completely kind, completely acting like a kid, and this furious Navya. That's the scale. Yes, that is.
I'm going to take time to think about this one. No, just kidding. I think you're extremely understanding as a person and as a friend too, and plus you're extremely motivating. Like, you know, normally people say I'm just a call away, but when it comes to you, it's actually true. Like, you've always been there for me whenever I've needed you, even if it's not physically, because we didn't live together or whatever, but then Wesley, you've always been there for me. I hope it's vice versa. And you're also the best thing about you, you're generally a very happy person. Like, even if suppose someone is having a bad day, just being with you will brighten up the day. And you're a very genuine person. Like, that's what I feel you are.
Now, what do you hate about her would have been an easier question to answer. But what do I love about Navya? Well, there are a lot of things. I think that's one of the reasons why Navya has been such a big part of my college life from the day I've known her. And I think one of the best things about Navya, and one of the things I relate most with her, is the kind of passion that she approaches things with. And it's something that's supremely amazing about her. Just the excitement, of doing something you love is something that I really appreciate and really like. Sorry for this ribbon. Apart from that, like, really like her determination and her faith in the fact that things will work out and things will be nice, and just how she tries to make everyone feel better about a situation. And apart from that, she's such a fun-loving person, and it's just really nice to be around her. And I think Navya and I have always had such a nice relation.
कुछ मतलब मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत है कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं, बट नव्या सब में अच्छी है. नव्या स्टडीज़ में अच्छी है. नव्या मतलब जो कुछ उसको करना है उसमें सब में अच्छी है. शी इज़ रियली डिटरमाइंड इन व्हाट शी डज. आई नो नव्या फॉर लाइक more than 12 years now. I feel really good being around her. काफ़ी सही बन चुका है. We are really good friends now. I really like being with her. मतलब अच्छा लगता है. It feels really good to be with someone so lively as Navya. Okay. Happy birthday again. Take care.
Now that I'm really thankful for you for like everything, for basically teaching me a lot of things, directly, indirectly, knowingly, unknowingly, as well as for just being there with me, like a person who's there, whom I can approach when things go wrong, jo bhi. So yeah, I am really like, I wouldn't have wanted my college life to be like different from this. No shit, I still am really crazy about medical or something. I still feel bad regarding that, but like if not medical, then I don't think that I would have wanted my college life to be like different from this. So yes, LY girl, and I mean it. This LY might sound really chose, but it makes me feel cool. But emotions are also conveyed. You also know that I'm really expressive when it comes to expressing what I feel for others. So bus now I'm gonna end the video because बहुत लंबा हो गया. So bye and all the best for your future endeavors and LY.
Thing you want to tell Navya would be, I know we have had a lot of coincidences from MHCET to Shakti Southern to Petals, but what I do hope is that we have much more coincidences like these and more planned meetups.
I think the best thing about Navya is that she knows how to socialize really well. So even if you meet her for the first time, you won't feel like she's new to you or she'll make you feel awkward. She'll make you feel super comfortable and you'll feel like you've already like been friends with her for long.
First thing, nobody can ever replace Navya. Second, you should know that you always have me by your side, and whenever you have any problem, you can always turn towards me because I will always be there for you and support you like I've always done and I'll always do. So, I still love you the same or probably more.
So, things I love about Navya, one is that she's extremely honest. She's extremely helpful when it comes to all my shopping or my baking or things about studies or simply anything at all. Then, Navya has ensured that I have tried everything in college, and she's ensured that I have rid myself of so many of my inhibitions that I actually came along with. So, yes, that. And Navya never misses an opportunity to show the people who she loves that she really cares. And I think that's extremely endearing about her. Then Navya has pulled me out of so many lows of mine, and she's just always been there. And in fact, she's pushed me up to real highs after that, quite literally. So, well, yes, I love you, Navya. I hope you have a great day. Happy birthday.
Yeah. So the best thing about Navya is Navya being herself. That's the best thing. I mean, सुबह फर्स्ट क्लास के बाद समोसा की क्रेविंग होना, फिर हेल्दी डाइट, मिक्स फ्रूट जूस पीना, बट रात को शॉट्स. थिंग मैन, शी इज एवरीथिंग. आई मीन, academically to to extracurricular, she's just everything. She's an all-rounder and I just love her for that. It's so much, there's so much to learn from her. So just Navya being herself is the best thing. It's the best. If you want to if you want to learn something, go to Navya. If you want to have some some party, have to have some shots, some drunk nights. If you want to have some really amazing drunk nights, although I've never had one, but I've heard a lot, go to Navya. If you want to just chill, I mean, have minimal conversation and just chill, go to Navya. So just Navya being herself is the best thing. This just it's the best thing. That's it.
So yes, the memories. I think when she joined school, then I never thought, like, initially, like the initial months, I never thought that we are going to be, this is going to happen and we are going to be friends for so much of time. But then, because I thought we were like completely different people and different interests and stuff, but then we got to know each other, and 2 years were, of course, like really a lot of fun, and thanks for so much of support and help and love. And then college happened, and when we started staying together, so of course, like, there you have your ups and downs. But I think despite that fact that we've held things together, I'm so thankful for that. I think from my end, things are like really clear, and I think from Navya's also. So yes, like, this just teaches me that it's so important to hold on to things and not just not give up easily just because you're pissed or your opinions don't match, just because that the person has hurt you. So thank you for like putting in that effort of holding things together always, and yes, and also for listening to me, my cribbing, and putting in that effort always. And thank you so much for bearing with me. And now you're starting a new journey, so good luck for that. and love you. So bye.
There are actually too many to be listed, so I'll keep it short. Navya Surekha, thank you for always being there. Thank you for introducing all of us to new food, new places. Thank you for introducing me to new shows and just suggesting me new stuff to watch because we've almost got the same taste. Thank you just for everything, just start picking up your calls more often, start responding to texts more often, but never mind, I'll still love you for that. Just thank you for being you. Trust me, you're this one beautiful human or a panda. Actually, you're a panda in human form, I would say. I love you, Navya. Happy birthday, happy 21st. I really hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. And I really wish we meet super soon, dude. Won't let you go to Paris without meeting and without hugging you. Just stay the same awesome person that you are. Really miss you. Love you.
So first has to be that you're super genuine in terms of giving advice or generally having a conversation or sharing an incident, anything like that. And another is that you're super helpful, so even before a person asks for help, you're always there to offer help or lend anything or anything like that. And third is also that you always, I don't know how do you do it, but you always make a person feel very included in a conversation or in any place, and like you make them feel very comfortable. So yeah.
I think you've got a really contagious laughter. It's like I can still hear it. So keep laughing. And you're a person who can turn even the most boring of events into the most interesting ones. So keep doing that too. And I love you. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Guys, I hope you have an amazing birthday. I'm sure your parents and your sisters are going to do a brilliant job. And I hope to see you very very soon, at least once before you go to Paris, or maybe more. Paris mein to mil hi lenge, but then even apart from that. And yeah, so bye.
Love you, Navya, and see you soon, man. Even if the next time I see you is when we land in Paris or when we're taking that flight to Paris. Let's get this done. COVID, go. Bye. Hope you liked your gift. Sorry for the overlap. Love you.